How to redeem Best Buy gift cards online. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily redeem your Best Buy's gift cards online. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have purchased anything using Best Buy and want to use the redeem code that you have, this is how you do it. First thing you need to do is head over to your bestbuy.com. You can also use the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And there should be something added to your cart in order for you to check out. So I've already done that. As you can see here, I have this item here on my cart, this headphone. You can try to ship this, but as you can see, the shipping is not available in this area. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the pickup on the store. And once you have done that, you can head over to checkout. So go ahead and tap on checkout. Now here you can choose your pickup method. It could be a curbside pickup method or you can just pick up in store. So just tap on it. Now here you'll have your contact information, and before you continue to your payment, you can just go ahead and tap on add a gift receipt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on continue to payment. Now here before you add your card information, you have an option to add gift cards, store credits, or discount codes. So just tap on it and you can just simply enter your gift card code, or if there is a PIN required, you can just enter the PIN here as well and then apply. And the discount or the gift cards deal will be applied to your checkout. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next